Here's something interesting I've been coming across. Basically, this matrix right here is actually what makes the stylus work on the Note 2s and Note 3s. This is a replacement LCD I've been getting, and this is the second one I've got one, a Note 2 like this, and now this is a Note 3 that hasn't actually come pre-assembled. So I sat there and I cleaned this side up. After I separated the broken LCD, I cleaned this side up already. But I'm kind of going to just show you, you know, it's very important if your LCD doesn't come with both cables to not, you know, stab this or jam at it or anything else. So business cards or playing cards, you know, goes back to it. I tried to get underneath it the first time around to separate it, you know, but it didn't, so this part stayed. But I want to separate it and redo the adhesive on it and make this one cohesive unit. I'm going to heat it up. Playing cards and business cards are your best friend pretty much with anything involving a Samsung, I've discovered. Be careful not to crease or fold this. If you ever have a customer call and say, I got a Note 2 and the stylus works just fine, but the other touchscreen's dead, well, this is why. Oops. I want to try not to do exactly what I just did there and crease it. When all else fails, just a little more heat. So there it is. So now that is that. And that looks like a little bit more of the typical look you normally see. You normally see this copper piece down. And that's why. So I'm just going to reattach everything and make it back into one seamless unit.